To summarize, there are various actions taken by various sectors to achieve safe motherhood for all. In the health sector, there should be basic antenatal, internatal, and postnatal care available for all the pregnant ladies, and the risk assessment for the high risk is done continuously. It is not just once, it's an ongoing process. A skilled attender should be present at every birth, and there should be a proper referral system available in case we need to refer the patient from house to the institution or from PHC to the higher institution. Also, emergency obstetric care is very important and it should be provided for the woman at her doorstep. The obstetric services should be of very good quality. Prevention of unwanted pregnancy is very important, for which a contraception advice is given, and also the contraception services are provided, like copper T should be made available, also the condom should be made available. Then there are often group consultations are important, where if the patient is having some comorbidity, you have to discuss about, maybe it is a GDM, then you have to discuss with physician the control of diabetes, or maybe patient is hypothyroid. So this consultation with other specialists is very important. Auditing of maternal mortality is done frequently to find out any gaps in the service and to improve upon it. The meetings are also very important. Maternal mortality meetings are important to learn from the previous incidents. Also, health workers should be given periodic continuous medical education to make them aware of the availability of various better equipment or other new protocols, so that they are up to date. As far as community is concerned, the ASHA workers, the Anganwadi workers, or the traditional birth attendants or DAIs, or women's group, Mahila Mandali, even religious group, or interested village group, self-help group, the panchayat or village health committees, all are taken for safe motherhood initiative. Everybody's cooperation is sought, and they are more likely to provide the list of the pregnant women, and they can be followed up. The health planners or policy makers also should take proper actions. They should provide written management protocol for various obstetric emergencies which can be followed for the safety of the pregnant lady. Referral system for obstetric emergency should be properly implemented. They should be available to transport the women who are in need of referral. Then all the healthcare workers should be given refreshers course time to time, so that they are up to date in their knowledge in managing these patients. Community education program can be made available for motivation and formation of safe motherhood committee at the local level. Healthcare system should be audited and it should be improvised whenever required. Changes should be made as and when it is required, and these changes should be implemented. Then there are certain legislative and policy actions where the girl child should be encouraged to have education, proper nutrition, and she should also have proper economic opportunities. And girls should be given sex education and risks of unprotected sex. Then access to healthcare facilities should be made available to these women and these girls. Then gender discrimination should be removed, and she should be given safe abortion services and post-abortion cure. Post-abortion care should be given properly. Thank you.